Success is something we all aspire to have, but sometimes it feels so elusive or even very complicated. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 pillars of success that everyone should know. Simple and timeless principles that can transform your life if you apply them. So if you're ready, let's get started. The first one is vision. So success begins with a clear vision of where you want to go. So if you don't know where you are going, how do you want to get there? If you don't have a destination in mind, how do you achieve to complete that journey? It's not possible. So you definitely need to take time to define your goals, to define your career, to define your relationships and every other thing in between that pertains to you. You write them down and you revisit them often. The second pillar is discipline. Talent may get you started, but discipline will keep you going. So it doesn't matter what talent you have. You can do a lot of things, but if you're not disciplined, you cannot stay at it. It's just like the way we talk about consistency. If you don't stay disciplined, you cannot stay at it. No matter how good you may be, no matter how much you are doing something so well, if you're not consistent at it, you will never keep at it. Because why? Success requires consistency. And what does this mean? It means doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. That is what consistency means. Imagine somebody having a store, like a business person having a store, and the person is not opening the store every day. How will the person make progress? How will the person make profit? Consistency and you having that business mindset is you going to the store, opening it every day for people to come and buy your goods and services. So that's the exact way. So if you're not consistent with it, there is never a way you can be successful at it. So whatever it is, whatever talent you've got, whatever it is that you are doing in any aspect of your life, you need to do it consistently to be successful at it. So discipline requires you to build daily habits that aligns with your goals, with your career, with your vision, with your aspiration. Building these daily habits and doing them consistently then will help you to be successful. The third pillar is growth mindset. Having a growth mindset means believing that your abilities and your intelligence can be developed through hard work and perseverance. Failures and challenges are not roadblocks. They are opportunities to learn and to improve. So we must always be willing to grow and to adapt. The fourth pillar here is resilience. We need resilience to be successful in life. Without resilience, you cannot be successful. Life will test you. You would always have setbacks at one point or the other. So life will definitely test you. But being resilient means you have to keep going. The only thing that defines successful people is the ability to bounce back and to continue in their journey of life. Stay focused, keep moving forward, and don't let temporary failures derail your long-term vision. This is very, very vital. The fifth pillar is relationships. Success isn't a solo journey. You can't do it on your own. You need people around you to help you to succeed. Build meaningful relationships with people that inspire you, with people that challenge you, and with people that support you. Surround yourself with individuals who believe in your potential, who believe that you can actually succeed and you can win. So to wrap this up, success is a journey built on these 5 pillars: vision, discipline, growth mindset, building relationships, and resilience. So if you can master all this, you realize that success is a matter of when and not if. Remember, you have everything it takes to succeed. So stay focused, stay consistent, and keep building the life that you desire. So if you have found this video very helpful, please like it, please share on to others, please comment down below, and also you'll be seeing a video on your end screen. Please watch it, and this will impact you greatly as well. Thank you so much, amazing people, for always being part of this journey of mine. I really do appreciate you. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead, and bye for now.